So is there a burning? You mentioned reservoirs there as you know, possibly being included, or the operation of reservoirs being included in the next step. Is that just one of the? What is the next burning step for?
Well, there's reservoirs, irrigation, a lot of irrigation, the recycling of water, which you may be talking with my students about the recycling, which are the huge numbers, which into the issues. The way how the land feedbacks may influence the local climate or regional climate. This is also important. And the degree of including the complexity of the biosphere in these climate models. Do you need to go to the complete interactive vegetation with the biology underneath, or can it be done in a more simple way? So these issues are still there. Then. But also in the classical scheme of hydrology, I mean, do you need in a climate model a full blown up multi-level, I call it transient unsaturated zone modeling, which is a complicated numerical scheme, or can it be done with more simplified schemes? Big issue is and will remain even beyond watch groundwater inclusion. We have not included groundwater in any of the models directly. We have some indirect ways to account for the groundwater extraction and to the return of water to the groundwater, but these are indirect estimates. And
So what would be needed to include more accurate representations of groundwater?
Well, it's complicated because that requires a very heavy. If you do it really properly in terms of modeling, you would have to include 2 or 3 dimensional modeling of the porous media groundwater flow, which, as you may know, is a very slow process, very numerically demanding. That's complexity which is high on it. So we are still looking for the ways there how to put it into the equation, not to make it over complex and over complicated for the numerical realizations. So that remains still issue there.